Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today, we are going to be doing our two concealer methods. On this side, I'm going to show you the old way of how we used to do concealer, and on this side, I'm going to show you the new way to do concealer. There is absolutely nothing wrong with both the ways, but I just want to show you how one side will drag your face and how one side will lift your face. If you are doing it the way you're doing it and you are happy with it, by all means continue. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. You need a So guys, first thing first, you need a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. What I am going to be using is my Revlon concealer. I don't really use this concealer anymore because it doesn't have much coverage. But now that I don't have so much of a problem with my eyes, I'm going to hop in with this concealer today. So today I'm going to be using the Revlon concealer. It is absolutely full. So on this side, I'm going to show you the right side and how your concealer should be done. So you go in with a teeny tiny bit on the corner of your eye. Thereafter, you go in with the end of your eye. And you can just bring that out a little more. What this is going to do is going to lift your whole face, because you can see the way you angled your concealer, it's just going to draw you up, give you that whole kind of foxy, cattish eye look. On this side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and draw the triangle method. So what this actually does is it highlights your cheekbone area. Now that is the lowest point on your face that you can actually highlight, because you don't want that part to look droopy. So here what it's going to do is drag the face down. Here we uplifting the face. So let me go out and blend this so you guys can see. So let me go out and blend this so you guys can see. So on this side we are working with the concealer. So as you can see, I blended it. It looks like what we used to do, how we do it. Nothing different. But what you don't understand is that this area here that is your highlight of your face, when you smile, it's supposed to give you a lift. It's not supposed to drag you down. This is what this is actually doing. Whereas on this side, I'm going to show you now. You have a whole lift. So here, there's like too much going on. You don't know where's your focus. You don't know what to do. It's just like a normal day's foundation wear. Whereas on this side, if you look at me, you see there's a whole type of lift on the face. Now, even when you are applying powder, you can go in with the corner here and just lift it up. Here you can go in with the whole powder as normal, like what we used to do. So that's how we generally set the eye, but I'm just going to show you. But on this side, I'm just going to highlight the inner corner area. And drag it in. I'm not adding any extra, I'm just dusting out whatever is there. So if you look at me on the side, there's nothing really wrong with it. I just feel that it doesn't lift your face as much as it does on this side. So there's no particular way in doing your concealer. There's no right or wrong way. Whatever works for you, that's what you should be doing. But all I'm saying is that there's two different ways to do it, and one can give you a lift and one can drag your face down. If you are continuing doing this, I think just give this side a try out and lift your face. You may or may not like it, but it's worth the shot. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.